Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 23rd of June, 2023. Going to talk about Google real quick. Just try to show you a couple of things off the chart that will relate that you're still sitting pretty good in your ideas to where you think price is going to go. So for us, we're looking for Google to go up in price. That's our prediction right now. That's in front of us. Okay. And I'm going to show you from the chart's perspective that even though price in Google is not necessarily trending up, there's things that has happened on the chart for Google that would tell us that there's still the probability that we're still sitting on the right side. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this real quick. Now first, you can tell that you're still sitting pretty into the market in Google, that price still has the ability to go up. It's because right here, look at this, we received a indicator of weakness in Google right here on June the 7th, right? When you see these indicators pop on your chart, you got to perk up. You got to begin to pay a little bit more attention as to what's going on. We did see selling on that day, no doubt about it. There was some individuals into the market in Google who sold off their positions. Okay, cool. When you see this indicator though, the next thought in your mind needs to be, okay, price is going to go lower, right? That's the next thing you need to think. So when you look at what has actually occurred, Google stock did not fall following that weakness. It went up instead, and it maintained price. It did not crash. Wonderful. Next thing I want to bring to your attention is look at this day. Okay, right here, the 16th of June. What I'm telling you is that there is a big hand in Google stock right now selling. That's what I'm telling you. They're in the market right now selling around this area here. This is where this big hand is. Somebody is trying to get up off their position, and it's not like a small retail investor. No, this is a hedge fund. This is Kathy Wood. This is somebody like that who is trying to offload their position, right? I say that because not only did June 7th occur, look at the 16th of June. Why would I say look at the 16th? Because this volume, look at that volume. Somebody, like I said, a huge hand came into the market in Google on that day, and they sold a whole lot of Google stock in the market. When you see this occur, again, the expectation is for the price to go down, right? Following the 16th, yes, price in Google did go down the next 2 days, the 20th and then the 21st. But then yesterday, the buyers came in again. So even though we do acknowledge a big hand in the market selling Google, there's enough demand right now willing to absorb it, willing to buy it. Because if the buyers weren't willing to hold and think that Google trading at this price is attractive, then price would have inevitably, it would have already fallen. The price would have, but it's being very reluctant into doing it. That's how you can tell that you're on the right side of the market. Now, the next thing, again, is that we shouldn't be surprised that the market price action in Google has been trading this way. We've already identified this area as resistance anyway, right? These people who came through Google and bought in 2022 when the market in Google hit this area for support, these could be the people who's trying to sell now, just like to break even, because they've been holding this stock from March 2022 to now. Those who didn't rush and sell it. These people who bought the market in Google back in 2022, they're ecstatic to now see price come back to this price level. Okay, so that's the biggest problem for the buyers. I want all of us to know that. So is there still a chance that price in Google won't go up? Most definitely. There is still a chance. And this is the reason why. It's because this big hand is coming into the market right now and Google's selling it. All right. Let me show you all something else. I'm going to look at this on the daily time frame first. So here it is on the 2-day chart. This 2-day price bar is complete. right there. Okay. And you guys can see that, yeah, the sellers came through. No doubt about it, because the price traded all the way down at $120. But it's good to see it close at 123.87. That's a good thing. Okay. Let's look at Google on the 3. You guys can see it here. The market on these 3-day price bars, I want you to all to see what selling looked like. Selling came in there, selling came here, and selling came there. It's not impacting the price negatively though. When you see selling, you expect price to react negatively, but it didn't. Price is still holding its weight, holding its own. So we're not going to change our price prediction. We're going to continue to expect Google to continue to go higher in price, especially at the conclusion of today's trading action. We have 8 hours, 52 minutes. I would love to see the market and Google close up here at the high end of that weekly bar though. I would love to see that. Here it is on the 2 and Google on the 3. So I'm not going to change it just yet. I just wanted to produce this video to show you how you can tell that your analysis is still pretty much on point. It's just going to take the market a little while. That's one of the worst things that I don't like about doing price predictions, is that you can't put a timing on it. If we could, we would be dangerous, but can't. Not right now, at least. Give me your thoughts though. Make sure you maintain your profitability, and as always, trade different.